Hi guys, look what I have found on eBay. This is amazing. This is a Group SHF Messsignale unit. It is empty, completely empty. And I've paid 70 euro. And you may think, why did someone pay 70 euro for an empty cabinet? For an empty enclosure? Well, look at that. Look how shiny this is. Do you already know what it is? And there it is. Oh yeah. This is an APC-7 connector. An adapter. 4 of them. Woo! And there's more. There's one more here. And now look on the bottom side. Can you believe this? We have 1, 2, 3, and this device here, which is a huge, I guess a relay. It's amazing. For just 70 euro. Wow! Amazing. I'm very happy. And these are N to APC-7 connectors. We have 5 of them in total. That's absolutely amazing. Woo! They are mounted like this. And yeah, I can make good use of them on eBay. And the rest of the enclosure is filled with military stuff. We see mil-spec, tantalum capacitors, ohmite resistors, all that crazy stuff. Wow! Look at the grounding. Wonderful. This is just wonderful. David, what do you think?
I'm really happy. Looks like money. Money, money, money.
So yeah, that's it for today. That's it for today.
See you around.
See you. Look at that. That's absolutely crazy. Have you ever seen something like this for just 70 euro? Amphenol. This is HB quality. Excellent. Crazy. Woo!
Das schießt ein bisschen.
Look at that. David just realized that there are all the test sheets included here. That's crazy. They were in
That's
this.
really nice. From
Woo!
1982.
Crazy. Klaus Möller. Crazy. Wow.
82 as well.
APC-7.
83.
Same. Klaus
With
Möller.
serial number and everything.
Crazy. Klaus Möller. Klaus, we love you. Where are you?
83.
Banker, Ramo.
83. And 82.
Wow.
Nice.
Crazy. Are they from here? Look, there's some spec sheet here.
Hoppa.
Crazy stuff.
What do we have over here? Oh, I'm a little... It's the testing. Coax switch test. Coax switch tests.
Crazy. Path 1, frequency loss. Very little loss. Crazy. Up to 10, 11 gigahertz. Crazy. 18 gigahertz. Fantastic. So do we have a serial number here? David, can you look it up?
The
we have
serial
here.
number is also...
Do we have a serial number ending with 921? Can you look it up?
921?
921. 927. 921.
97 at the beginning.
And 97 at the beginning?
Yes.
Yes. We have 97 at the beginning.
Yes. I have it.
97.
96, 97.
Da, 921. Wow, we can sell it with the matching test sheet. That's crazy. Can you believe this? Absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy.
Nice.
Wow.
Some good stuff. Some stuff.
Look at that. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing.